Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I'm presenting this Jaguar XE 2-litre D200 R-dynamic Black. This XE is finished in the very sleek Santorini Black and comes sitting on the gloss black alloy wheels, complemented nicely by the red brake calipers. Given the ultimate finish, this vehicle does come with the black exterior pack and privacy glass. Moving straight inside now, these are the ebony leather electric front seats. And there is a really warm welcome into this vehicle with the natural light coming from that sliding panoramic roof. Now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm just going to take you through some of the steering wheel controls. You've got your voice control, lane keep assist and cruise control, and ahead is your driver's display. Maximise your comfort at all times in this Jaguar XE with the heated front seats and 2-zone climate controls. Moving on to the infotainment system, we have the rear camera, navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio and Apple CarPlay and much more. And the leather interior continues into the back with a nice amount of space for your rear passengers and the rear vents to make sure they are comfortable at all times. This Jaguar XE comes with ample boot space, perfect for all your luggage and shopping. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this Jaguar XE, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.